Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to show you how to make this bolt. Just hide this. This is an M6 ISO standard hex bolt and we're going to make it in Solidworks. So let's start. Go to File, New Part and click OK. So right away we're going to start off by selecting the front plane and starting a new sketch. We're going to sketch it's in millimeters. Since we're working in ISO, we want to work with millimeters as our base dimensions. Again, start the sketch on the front plane, select this circle, escape, smart dimension the circle at 6 millimeters. Okay, go to features, extrude, and we're going to extrude it at 50 millimeters. You can change the length of the bolt as per your requirements. What I'm making is 3D print compatible, so we want to make it very nicely. So we're going to select one side, and under this fillet you will find this chamfer. We're going to chamfer it at 1 millimeters and 45 degrees. Okay, now select this side, start a new sketch and sketch a 6-sided polygon. You can change the number of polygons as it will change the sides. Always remember to fully define your sketches. Now we're going to smart dimension it at 10 millimeters, and we're going to select these two. We'll give it a rotation. Wait, it's not working. You can always escape and fully define sketch from here. All entities in sketch, and this is the side. I'm going to 2 millimeters, give it a rotation, and we're going to extrude it at 4 millimeters. Okay, select the top and start a new sketch. Go to circle, okay, dimension the circle at around 8 millimeters. Go to features, extruded cut, and check this box and draft it at 60 degrees. Okay, and it's going to give you this appearance of hex on the top. And now select this bottom sketch, make a circle. It's going to be an approximate circle. I'm going to dimension it at around 8.5, and we're going to extrude it at 0.2 millimeters. Okay, now the things that I've talked about before, and it's very simple. Just sketch on this bottom plane and make a circle. Smart dimension the circle at 6 millimeters. Alternatively, you can also use converter entities like I've talked about earlier. Go to insert, curve, helix and spiral, and make sure you're selecting height and pitch. We're going to select 18 and 1 millimeter as our pitch. This is the path. Okay, now we're going to go to top plane, hold down control and use the arrow keys to adjust it as you like. Now we're going to make a line. Okay, sketching in the top plane. Let me just select this. Alright, on the center, just make a center line. Okay, now we'll go to polygons and we're going to make a three-sided polygon. Make sure to check for construction. Okay, escape. And we're going to connect it with this. The top of the polygon is the pitch, which is in our case is 1, and its height is 3 millimeters. Escape. And we're going to connect it with this path. Control select and construction geometry. Now we're going to draw a center line from here to here and another one from here to here. Okay, now draw a line which would be connecting to these 2 points, and the dimension for these would be 1. This is 1/4 of your pitch, so that's 0.25, and another line here. Actually make it a midpoint and make sure it's connected to those. Alright, select this point and this line and make it coincident. Now we're going to dimension this at, this is 1/8 of your pitch, which is in our case is 0.125. Okay, now use mirror entities, mirror about this center line. Okay, now we're going to control select the 3 and we're going to actually make them construction geometry. Okay, now we're going to go to 3-point arc, select these 2 points, and we're going to select this arc, select the side and make it tangential. Okay, now we're going to select this line and just make a path using our construction geometry. Should be pretty easy from this point on. Okay, now we have our closed sketch. We can go to features and swept cut. Actually you have to exit the sketch for this one. Go to features and we're going to use the swept cut. We're going to select this as our profile and we're going to select the helix and spiral as our path. It's going to generate a preview for you and you can select OK. Okay, so this is our bolt, so you can hide this helix and spiral. And the last thing that you need to do, notice that this side is not, it's odd. So we're going to select this side, and we're going to get a new sketch, use convert entities, and it's going to make a profile. And now just use extrude cut and select through all, and that's the bolt for you. This is an M6 bolt, and you can give it a appearance for metal, and you can make it chrome, and that's it. You can now render it or 3D print it by converting into an STL file. And that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it and learned something new, be sure to like, subscribe and share, and it really helps. Thanks a lot for watching.